Hello. That's Tech Mode Solution. Um, I like to demonstrate how to replace a backlight for iPhone 11 with the new one. I would like to make it new. Let's start. Firstly, I would like to remove this backlight because he no longer have use and have what I will explain to the other technicians. We have something here that we call it a wireless charger. We have to remove this glass carefully and technically, very carefully and nicely and presentable as a technician. I will use the hot air station to remove those glass to make the work easier. The heat and I'll make it 350 heat so that even the battery, because I didn't remove the battery there to be damaged also. Let me start. I will use a laser blade also. If you want to watch more process as I do this, because I know as I do, what am I see? You will watch on YouTube also the whole step. But if you are experienced lead technician, you already know the step. I represent Botswana here, Botswana technicians here. Also, I will say hello or assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi to Indian, China, ni hao. Also Nigeria, Zimbabwe, South Africa also. Tomazansi, Soweto, somewhere there, wherever you are watching. Please like and share my video. Or because in Botswana we don't have any resources. It's all about knowledge and how you do things. Survival of the fittest. But this step that I'm doing, you have to be carefully for what you are doing, because these guys here behind, there might be damage and you will suffer the consequences there. can see how I do things smoothly, but here I have to be extra careful. The challenging part is here now. But there's nothing. And there is the device that is clean and super. Now is the time to me to clean the old glue also. And now hello guys, this is part 2. I've already done to fit the backlight. Our phone is good and nice, as good as new. So now this is my iPhone here. It's okay, although their customer just bring it to replace the backlight. Shalom. Please like my video and subscribe.